What supplies do you need for hand-painted punk patches? Imagine turning a plain piece of fabric into a bold statement piece that screams punk style. That's what hand-painted patches are all about. If you want to add your own flair to your jacket or vest, you'll need a few key supplies to get started. First up is fabric. Cotton is a top choice because it holds paint well and stays flexible once dry. Denim works great too, especially if you're using old jeans. Canvas and felt are good options as well. Stay away from stretchy fabrics or knits because they don't absorb paint evenly and can look washed out. When cutting your fabric, make it a little bigger than your final patch size so you have room to trim it later. Next, you'll need paint. Acrylic paint is the go-to for hand-painted patches. To make it more flexible and less likely to crack, mix equal parts of fabric softener with your acrylic paint. This helps the paint stick better and stay durable. For applying the paint, gather different sizes of brushes or sponges. Smaller brushes are perfect for details, while larger brushes fill in big areas with color. Setting up your workspace is also important. Use a piece of cardboard or something similar to elevate your fabric. This gives you better control and prevents the paint from smudging. Place a protective sheet or old newspaper underneath to catch any drips or spills. Design tools are handy too. If you're working from a printed design, you'll want a computer and printer to make your artwork. Many punks use their local library's printers if they don't have one at home. An X-Acto knife or box cutter is useful for cutting out fabric shapes or trimming your patches once they're dry. When it's time to attach your patches, safety pins or sewing pins help hold them in place. For a permanent fix, you'll need a sewing needle and thread or dental floss. These tools let you stitch your patches securely onto your jacket or vest. There are some optional supplies that can make your patchmaking easier. You might use label paper to print your design directly onto adhesive-backed paper, then paint over it. Tracing designs with a glass picture frame can help with accuracy. Some punks also use spray paint and stencils for quick designs, but hand painting gives you more control and personal style. Remember, most supplies can be found at dollar stores or around your home. The punk way is all about resourcefulness and creativity, so don't worry if you're missing something. Experiment with different fabrics, paints, and techniques to craft patches that truly show off your individual punk aesthetic.